Yes, it's me again.
Yeah,
And I'm back.
TLC on the remix.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am back with another hair review, and it is on this beautiful long black hair that I am wearing. And the company that this hair is from is Longqi hair, so tune into the video so you can get all the details. Starting off with this hair, I have the inches 20, 22, 24, 26, basically 4 bundles, but not 4 bundles, 3 bundles. The 22, 24 is 26, and I have the 20-inch closure. So I made a wig out of all my bundles, and with this hair, at first when I got it, it was extremely long, and it's still extremely long. It hits me about right here, and if we go in the back, it hits me basically on my butt. I would say it hit like my tailbone, as everyone calls it. Yeah, when I first got it, it was a little bit longer, and I'm gonna insert a picture right here. And I actually wore this hair, I've been wearing this hair for at least on and off 2 weeks ish. Yeah, like 2 weeks ish, because I did a photo shoot with this hair, and I also wore this hair on my birthday. First, this hair does not give me any shedding, and when I wig my wigs, I never cut my wefts, so my wigs are always popping, like I do not get shedding. With the closure, I did bleach the knots. As always, you know, you just gotta do it if you want it to melt. The frontal looks really nice. I had to, of course, you know, go ahead and pluck it out and stuff like that, you know, because it was just a little bit on the thick side. So I had to go ahead and customize it and everything, but to me it looks pretty good. And the other thing that I did with this hair, I also I gave it some layers. I gave this hair a lot of layers because it was just too straight for me, and I don't really like, I love straight hair, but I don't like, you know, I don't know, I like options. I like, if I want to straighten it, I still want it to have some body into it and everything. And honestly, I don't really have that many bad things to say about this hair, because this is one of my favorite, hair companies when it comes to like virgin, like long straight black hair. I haven't tried their other hair yet or anything, but their Brazilian straight, honey, is popping. As you guys can see, I've only washed this hair one time. I did wash it because I also dyed it jet black, and the ends are beautiful. As you guys can see, the hair is thick throughout, honey. Okay, the ends are not, the ends are pretty, like, guys, this hair, even with the 22, 24, 26, I honestly didn't even have to use all of the bundles, but of course I did, but I really did not have to. And even with all of the bundles, it still has a nice thickness, but it's not bulky, you know, and it's not too skimpy. Hair got to me very fast. It did not take long at all, and the customer service was great. They made sure they took care of everything, which is, I really like that, because that means they actually care about their customers, and they actually care about the hair that they're selling and everything. This is really high quality. Like, I know people talking about AliExpress, blah blah blah, but the right vendor will set you straight. I just really love this hair, you guys. Like, good job, Longqi, good job. Like, you guys are really killing it. But hey guys, don't forget to check them out, and I'll leave all the info down below so you can check them out. And also, if you want to, you know, purchase the same lens that I did, you can go ahead and do that. But hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.